In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a reminder email in Outlook. We'll walk through opening Outlook on the web, composing a clear reminder message, and if you need to send it on behalf of someone else, how to show and change the from address before you send. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Microsoft.com. At the top of the page, select All Microsoft to see the list of Microsoft services. Choose Outlook from the menu to open the Outlook web experience. If you're not already signed in, click Sign In and log in with your work, school, or personal Microsoft account so you can access your mailbox. Once you're in your inbox, click New Mail to start a new message. Compose your email as usual. For a reminder, keep your subject line short and clear, like friendly reminder, action needed by Friday. In the body, briefly restate what the reminder is about, include any key dates or links, and let the recipient know what you need from them. Keep paragraphs short and use straightforward language so your message is easy to scan. If you need to adjust who the email is from, for example, to send on behalf of a shared mailbox or another person you're authorized to represent, click the Options tab above the message. Check the box next to Show From. This reveals the From line in your Compose window, which lets you choose the sending address. In the From line, click the downward arrow to open the list of available addresses. Select Other Email Address. To specify an address that isn't listed, enter the email address you're authorized to use. Keep in mind this only works if your organization has granted you send as or send on behalf permissions for that mailbox. If you don't have permission, Outlook won't send the message from that address. Before sending, take a moment to proofread, verify names, dates, and any links or attachments. If it's a time-sensitive reminder, consider opening with the deadline so it's immediately visible. You can also add a polite closing that sets expectations, such as when you plan to follow up again. When everything looks good, click Send. If you used another address, the recipient will see that the message was sent on behalf of that mailbox, depending on your organization's settings. That's all it takes. Open Outlook on the web, compose your reminder, show the From line if you need to send on someone's behalf, choose the correct address, and send. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.